Welcome. Today we're focusing on a key muscle group that shapes your entire upper body, defining your physique and contributing to overall strength. We're talking about the shoulders. These muscles are more than just aesthetic, they're fundamental to many movements. Think of your shoulders as the frame that creates that sought-after V-taper look, a symbol of athleticism and strength. They provide the width that accentuates a smaller waist. But strong shoulders aren't just for looks, they offer so much more than just a pleasing silhouette. They're absolutely essential for daily strength, enabling you to lift, push, and carry with ease, and play a crucial role in injury prevention. The shoulder joint is the most mobile in your body, allowing for a wide range of motion, and strong deltoids are vital to stabilize and protect it, ensuring smooth and controlled movements. Neglecting them can lead to imbalances, poor posture, and even chronic pain over time. The deltoid has three heads: the anterior, lateral, and posterior. But today we're zeroing in on the medial, or side, head. This is the secret to broader, more impressive shoulders that really stand out. Most pressing exercises like the overhead press primarily hit the front delts, but the side delts need targeted work, specific exercises to really grow and contribute to that wider look. That's where the dumbbell lateral raise comes in. A fantastic exercise for isolating the side deltoids. It's a simple, yet incredibly powerful move for building width and achieving that coveted shoulder definition. Let's dive into how to do it right, ensuring you get the most out of every rep and avoid potential injuries. The dumbbell lateral raise is a staple in any well-rounded shoulder workout. It's simple, effective, and can be done virtually anywhere. It's a classic move that primarily isolates the medial deltoid, the muscle responsible for giving your shoulders that broad, capped appearance. This makes it an invaluable exercise for aesthetic and functional strength. All you need is a pair of light dumbbells. Start lighter than you think you need to. With the lateral raise, form matters far more than heavy weights. Using too much weight can lead to injury and will shift the focus away from the targeted muscle. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, maintaining a stable base, knees slightly bent, and hold the dumbbells at your sides with your palms facing in towards your body. This is your starting position. Keeping your torso steady and your core engaged, lift the dumbbells out to your sides in a controlled motion, keeping a slight bend in your elbows to protect the joint. As you lift, imagine you're pouring water from a jug. This helps get the right hand position and ensures you're targeting the correct part of the deltoid. Continue to raise the dumbbells until your arms are parallel to the floor, forming a T shape with your body. At the top of the movement, you should be feeling a strong squeeze in your side shoulders. Lower the weight slowly and with control, resisting the pull of gravity. It's crucial not to let them drop quickly, as this negates much of the benefit of the exercise. Aim for about 1 second for the upward lifting phase, and a controlled 2 to 3 seconds for the downward lowering phase. This tempo keeps your muscles under tension for a longer period, which is essential for stimulating maximum muscle growth and strength gains. Mastering this movement, with proper form and controlled execution, is your ticket to building a wider, more impressive frame and achieving your physique goals. Here's a quick, repeatable process for perfect lateral raises. Start with light weights. 5 or 10 pounds is plenty for beginners. Stand tall, feet shoulder width, knees soft. Pull your shoulder blades back and down, chest up, core tight. Hold dumbbells at your sides, palms facing your thighs, elbows slightly bent. Exhale and lift the dumbbells out in a wide arc, leading with your elbows. Stop when your arms are parallel to the floor, pinkies slightly higher than thumbs. Pause briefly at the top for a strong contraction. Inhale and lower the weight slowly, resisting gravity. Each rep should look the same. Consistency builds muscle and prevents injury. Focus on quality, not quantity. When it comes to lateral raises, are you making these common mistakes? Let's break down some pitfalls to avoid so you can maximize your shoulder gains and minimize the risk of injury. Using momentum and swinging your body, don't do it. This takes the focus away from your deltoids and can lead to back pain. If you're rocking or straining, the weight is too heavy. It's better to use a lighter weight and maintain proper form. Lower it and keep your torso still. A stable core is key to isolating the shoulder muscles. Don't lift the dumbbells above shoulder height, stop it parallel to keep tension on the side delts. Going higher can engage the traps more than the deltoids. Avoid locking your elbows. Keep a soft bend to protect your joints. This will also help maintain constant tension on the deltoids. Lead with your elbows, not your hands, to target the right muscle. This ensures the side deltoids are doing the bulk of the work. Think of your hands as hooks, your shoulders do the work. Focus on feeling the muscle contract with each rep. Progress takes time. Be patient and consistent. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Train shoulders at least once a week, focus on form, and celebrate small wins. Every rep with good form is a victory. Combine smart training with good sleep and nutrition for best results. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Stay consistent and you'll build strong, broad shoulders. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint.